In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 16 update. That is quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And the first thing that you can try is open up settings and here tap Add Bluetooth. There, if your Bluetooth is enabled, you can just toggle it off, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and then hit on the switcher to enable Bluetooth on your device. If it not help, just go back here in settings and then toggle on airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds and then disable airplane mode. It can help you to fix that problem. If it doesn't help, all you have to do is to try the next thing, so just scroll down for a bit and tap on General. Next, here scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and from here select Reset Network Settings, because they may cause a problem of Bluetooth not working on your iPhone. If for some reason that doesn't help, you can move on to the next solution of that problem, and there is soft reset your iPhone, so you can press at the same time power and volume up button to bring up that screen, and here just move that slider to the very right position to turn your device off. Then wait for some time, maybe 20 or 30 seconds, and then hold down power button until Apple logo comes up, and then wait until your device will turn on. And if for some reason that doesn't help, all you have to do is open up your settings again, here scroll down and get into General again. Then tap Add Software Update, and here you can check for new iOS update. Here, as you can see, I got it, so I can tap on Install Now to download and install new iOS on my device, because that new iOS version can contain some bugs, fixes or improvements, so in that way I can solve that problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.